What's up, Better Days? Today I'm on the Caney Fork River. We're fishing a 6-mile stretch of river from Buffalo Valley Boat Ramp to Happy Hollow access. Now, we're trying to catch fish to keep to eat today, so I'm throwing a little Rapala countdown minnow. Got plenty of hooks, good opportunity to make sure you land your fish, but this fish has to be 24 inches long to keep. This is a brown trout, and it ain't nowhere close. We're gonna carefully try to remove these hooks from this tiny little brown trout. Oh, that's good. Yeah, good. Oh yeah. There we go. Well, he had 4 hooks in him. You think he wanted it? Cool. Now he is particularly photogenic. Look at the red on that tail. My goodness. Bald eagle. Just right in the center of that tree. You see his head sticking up, his big white head. Huge nest. Oh my goodness. That is incredible. Here comes one flying into the nest. There's fish number 2. And he got away. Oh my gosh. Of course, on the day when you're trying to keep fish, you bring a stringer, you bring a cooler. He says, well, we'll keep some fish today. I go out here and catch fish all the time. Let's keep a few. Nope. The first one's not a keeper. The second one's a keeper that got away. That's hilarious. Hey, would you cook that at the house on the stove? Cool, man.
I like microwave popcorn.
So I'm not a popcorn guy in general, but almost everyone will say, unless I'm at the movies.
Yeah.
I could eat my weight in popcorn at the movie theater.
Good.
It is good. It's ever since they started letting you pump your butter yourself out there at that little station.
Oh yeah. Especially if they'll put butter in the middle first for you, then because you know they got to put more popcorn on it.
Let me tell you, just grab a straw.
And put it
Stick the straw in, and the butter has a tip on it, and then shoot that down into the bottom.
That's a good idea.
And then lift the straw up a little, and then shoot more, and then you get every level, and you can get it around the edges and straight down in the center.
That's genius. I've never thought
Thank
of that
you.
before.
Thank you. I'm gonna leave this in the video. That's going in the video. Yeah, because I want everyone to know this life hack. That's how you do it.
That's genius.
That is. GoPro, stop recording. Guys, we're having a tough day. I'm hooked into a monster trout. I don't have my camera. It's on my chest, but it's under my life jacket. I don't have my net. Oh, everything's going crazy. Oh, it's a daggum 15-inch brown trout. Man. Everything just went all crazy. We're not catching any fish. We're having a tough day. One of the toughest days I've ever had out here. And this thing just crushed my rooster tail. Sweet. Big old brown. Nice. Okay. Very nice catch. Oh man, that was an epic battle. He's fat too. Really fat. Oh, and there he goes. And that's what they do. Look at him go. Pretty cool. Tough day. I mean, like epically tough. Golly. He ate that white rooster tail. That might be a good sign. We may have a chance this afternoon, but it's been a tough morning. It's afternoon now. We're about to get into some lunch. I'll let you know how it goes. GoPro, stop recording. That's it. Them crows.
You have too much hook exposed right there.
No, that's perfect. There he is. I missed the hair trigger. I got him. I got him. Hair trigger. Good fish. Did you hear me turn my camera on moments before I hooked that fish? I just knew it. I just knew it. Good fish. Oh, look at that fish. Yeah, it's a hog, dude. Okay, that is a good one. Now that's an illegal fish. For sure it's illegal. Get both our hands wet because we're gonna have to put this one back. Come on, you're killing me with the water. There we go. Settle down, settle down. Okay. Hook fell right out. I suspected it would if I didn't keep pressure on it. There we go. Got him?
Huh?
I thought you had one. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Nice fish. That's a good fish, Don Lottie. Just play it. Don't try to horse it in. Don't try to horse it. Let it take slack. No, it's not. It swam towards you. That's a good fish. It won't come in just yet. It will. It'll turn on its side when it's ready. Yeah. Yeah, you can bring him in. You can bring him in. He's upside down. Rainbow. Another slot limit rainbow. Cast. About halfway across the river, right? Reel in the slack. Feel the bottom. Listen to the birds. There's the steps to the property I was talking about. See it? And the grass, that was the property. I was gonna move there. I was gonna live there. It's heaven, ain't it? Nah, the place is terrible. It's a dump. Property is nice though.
Well, the property is a place, so what I said was correct.
No bites. Just cast straight. What the? It is advisable. Yeah, it's indivisible with liberty and justice for all. It's just weird because that way is definitely not northwest. The sun is going to set in the west right over there. And northwest would be that direction right there. So this is decidedly southeast. And fish bite the least. You know what I'm saying? Least. It's a thing. I want to set this down and cast my rooster tail. Yeah, I do. Even though this has been the best thing we've had going for us all day. I had one father and son duo out here last summer, and we could watch the pink Powerball with the high noon sun from as far away as we could cast it. We could see it in the water and watch it disappear, and we'd all go, hey, and then they'd snag it. Those are the guys that caught a 3-pounder. They were slamming them. The son said, we're catching them. We got to say something every time we catch them. He said, how about whammo, baby? So every time they hook a fish, including right down here, he say, whammo, baby. I've had some characters, dude. Look at this stunning setting. Look at that cabin up there on the right. See, my problem with that place up there on the right, you can't fish. There he is. I hooked him. It's a little guy. God, you got to have a hair trigger. As soon as it bites, you can't say there he is and then hook him. You have to be setting the hook at the same time. They're just so sluggish today. We had such a tough day. Oh, better days right in the lower lip hook set. I'd call that more decidedly corner lip than lower lip. Now that's a keeper, and we wanted to keep fish, but we're 1.5 miles away from the end, so we're not going to keep him. It's because it doesn't look like we're going to get very many keepers, but that's okay. We've caught a couple in the slot limit, and we've caught some brown trout, so we're having a heck of a day. We just shoved off. Got a nice little rainbow trout coming in here on the rooster tail. And of course, every time I say what the fish is, I'm wrong. It's not a rainbow, it's a brown trout. Because of course, why wouldn't it be? Oh, I'm finna smack one. I just know it's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? This is the type of days where I end up hooking a big one. I called it. I just couldn't help it. It feels like the kind of day where we've struggled all day and you just know you're due. That we won't be able to keep. Whew-wee, man. It's been tough day. We're still getting some good looking fish. All right, let's get back at them. I got him. Very next cast. Yeah, I thought we had worked really hard to get on some fish. Wondering why we hadn't caught them. Well, I mean, it's been a tough day for everybody. It's a brown trout for sure. I saw that. Nice one too. Let's see. Okay. Oh, he's got it. Corner pocket. Oh, corner pocket. Look at this fish. Whew, we were due. All right. Rooster tail, baby. Rooster tail. Well, I mean, they do that sometimes. Low brownie, baby. There we go. Nice. Got some nice colors on his tail, too. I just turned my camera off, literally, split second. And Don Lottie hooked into a gigantic... Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a good one, too. That's a largemouth, right?
I think so. This is a crazy fight right here.
Yeah, it's a largie.
Just need to hit the boat. I hit the boat. Let's see. Oh man, let's go. It's a good addition to the day. Just said I wasn't getting none. As soon as I said that, bang. I got smoked by a largemouth. Okay. I want you all to see the color on this fish.
It's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's got nice dark patterns on them. This little bitty trouble hook is giving me hit. Look at this. It's a beautiful fish. Very nice. Very nice one right there. Body is straight. Oh. Nice belly on him. Get him back. He's out there.
Oh, he's got a good one. He's got a good fish. Let's just watch him catch it. He got it. We can do this trip. It's almost the time of year where it'll be really good. It'll be happening here soon within the next month or two. Hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Just send me a message, an email, and I'll get back to you. And we'll come out and we'll do this. We'll try to catch as many of these fish as we can. It's a 6-hour trip. It's $250. I'll bring kayaks or a canoe, whatever you feel more comfortable with.
Got some teeth on him. That nice brown trout.
I wasn't recording that last one. I just figured, oh, I just had a massive fish on. And it's just like that. I don't. I was going to just wait to do the exit because we're almost at the end. And I mean, that was an awesome day. It was really tough, but we caught some cool fish. I just caught another one that got away, or that I let go, a small one, and then hooked that one that got away. But we had fun. That's right in front of us, but you could probably barely make it out. That's Happy Hollow is the name of that boat ramp. It's the first boat ramp below the dam that's public, and you'll see a couple along the way. Those are in people's yards. Don't go to those. That's Happy Hollow boat ramp. It's a 6-mile trip. And we can do this trip if you want to. Hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. The water has to be right, and it's tough. Today wasn't really the best water conditions, but we made the best of it. This is the Caney Fork River, and I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.